Today we're going to be doing colorful scratch-offs, really cool for Valentine's Day. I started off by printing my own business cards off of the template on Avery.com. Looked like this, and then I laminated them. How to make the scratch-off, basically what you're going to do is get a little cup. You need metallic paint. This is the key here, metallic paint. I have these color shifting paints from Folk Art. They're really cool, depending on the light. Like, they shift colors. Anyways, you'll mix equal parts of metallic paint with dish soap. I don't know if you can use every single kind of dish soap because I haven't tried it. The one I'm using is Dawn. I'm using it because it's clear. I don't know if it really even makes a difference, but I figure if I'm going to be using multiple colors, I might as well get one that's clear. So, like I said, you're going to mix 1 part paint to 1 part dish soap. So let's start with the soap, actually. Excuse my messy hands, I've been crafting all day. Okay, so like that. And you'll just combine them, mix it up, and paint over the laminated spots that you want to be covered. It has to be laminated. If it's not laminated, when you go to scratch it off, it's just gonna come off like paper. You have to make sure the surface that you're painting on is laminated for it to be scratch off. I did this with all the other colors already, like orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, to kind of get it going. So let's paint our hearts. Okay, so we are done painting them. We're gonna let them dry, and when they're dry, we'll be able to scratch them off. And I put on little things on here like, you know, do the dishes, wash your car. This one says you pick the movie, 1 use per day, the date redeemed, the to and from, and the signature. And they're really cute, super cute. So enjoy. If you make them, tag me so I can see. And happy Valentine's Day!